you. What is your English name? Ken? My English name is Ken. Very good. Ken, how old are you?
Happy.
How old are you? What, 5, 6?
6 years old.
6 years old. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Good job. What color do you like?
I like red.
Right. Good. What about food? What food do you like?
I
Like?
like lollipop.
Lollipop. Do you like toys? Yes? Toys. Oh, do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
Do. Wow. Very good. Now let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I am. Okay. So now let's start with this. Okay? Alright. So let's start. Can you show me your finger? Where is your finger? Okay. Now can you tell me? What?
1, 2 feet.
It's my...
It's my 2 feet.
Very good. It's
It's my hand.
head.
It's eye.
It's my
Eye. It's my tummy.
tummy. Good.
It's my mouth.
Mouth. Next.
It's my
Arm.
arm.
Next.
It's my nose.
They are
They are
my...
my legs.
Yes, they are my...
They are my feet.
They are my
Eyes.
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 They are my...
They are my feet.
They are my...
They are my eyes.
They are my...
They are my legs.
They are my...
They are my arms.
Very good. This is my
Eyes.
mouth.
Mouth.
This is my...
Nose.
This is...
My tummy.
Good. This is...
Head.
Good job. Very good, kid. Now, do you want lollipop?
Yes, I do.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. Do you want coffee?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Do you want ice cream?
Yes, please.
Good. Do you want juice?
Yes, please.
Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Very good. Okay. What says Papa? Papa.
Penguin.
Papa.
Bicycle.
Very good. What says Ta Ta?
Tiger.
Ta.
Chili.
Papa. Red.
Dragon.
Papa.
Penguin.
Papa.
Bicycle.
Ta Ta.
Tiger.
Ta.
Chili.
Good job, Ken. Next, let's move on to the next one. Okay, show me your finger. Can you tell me which one is bend?
Bang.
Good. Which one is stretch?
Stretch.
Good job. Which one here is put your arms down? Here.
Which one that?
Good. Put your arms down. Here. Which one is drink the juice? Drink the...
Orange.
Drink the juice. Next here. Which one is eat the cake? Eat the cake. Next. Which one is take the present?
Decoration.
Wow, you do